So hello, and as always with Mark Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me how's life as a YouTube creator. So I'm gonna tell you my humble opinion. It's just like any other life, okay? So I've got a secondary job. I do this channel. I've sometimes had some colleagues helping, sometimes not. Currently, I'm back alone, and I've pretty much enjoyed the journey. So I've had ups and downs in my personal life, in the YouTube life. But currently, I'm in a place where I'm very happy with what I'm doing. I'm doing content that I think adds value. People write me in the comments, and I really enjoy it. So I personally think that the actual YouTube commenting era is great. Now you can work from anywhere in the world with an iPad, with an iPhone, with a MacBook. Now I'm gonna tell you a few advantages. I think that you can earn money. Not I my personal channel does not earn a lot of money, but enough to be self-sufficient, and it's pretty amazing to have grown a YouTube channel from scratch and to be able to monetize it and be able to live comfortably far from it. That's pretty amazing. Disadvantage, I would say, is that I personally have been uploading for almost 6 years now, and I do try to upload 2 videos per day. Yes, short form edit in the sense that usually the videos are not longer than 2-3 minutes, but it is true that it's sometimes, especially when you've got a second job, it can be a bit stressed, but I personally think that it's worth it. I get enjoyment from every comment I get, and I personally think that if any of you have some niche or you want to tell your story or want to speak about something that you enjoy, I personally think this is pretty much amazing. And for those of you who have been asking me, my secondary job has nothing to do with YouTube, so it's a total different branch. And I think that's why I enjoy YouTube so much, because especially nowadays that I talk a little bit more about my feelings, about how I'm doing, and I just think that YouTube is a great platform if you like to communicate yourself. As for the faceless videos, I just didn't want to be the center of focus of the videos. I wanted my YouTube channels and what I actually preach to be the center, and that's why I decided not to put my face in the YouTube channels, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, leave it down here below, and I encourage any of you to build a YouTube channel from scratch, and that's currently my life as a creator.